I need to change my behavior. It is essential to change one's behavior when it comes to disrespectful or racist actions, because personal growth and self-improvement are crucial for creating a more inclusive, empathetic, and understanding society. By reflecting on past mistakes and committing to change, you contribute to dismantling systemic racism, building stronger relationships, and fostering a healthier environment for everyone. Welcome to this 5-minute mindfulness meditation on reflecting upon a time when you were disrespectful or said something racist and the desire to change and grow from that experience. This meditation will guide you in acknowledging your past behavior, cultivating self-compassion, and committing to being a better person. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a few slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. As you breathe in, feel the air filling your lungs and expanding your chest. As you breathe out, let go of any tension or stress that you're holding on to. Continue to take deep, slow breaths. Now, bring to mind the specific incident when you were disrespectful or said something racist. Visualize the situation, the people involved, and the emotions that were present at that moment. Try to observe the scenario without judgment, simply allowing it to be as it was. As you hold this memory in your mind, take a moment to acknowledge the impact of your actions on others and yourself. Recognize the importance of taking responsibility for your behavior and learning from this experience. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine a wave of self-compassion washing over you, recognizing that everyone makes mistakes and that personal growth comes from acknowledging and learning from them. Now, focus on your intention to change and grow from this experience. As you breathe in, silently repeat the following phrases to yourself. I am committed to learning and growing. I am open to understanding the experiences of others. I will be more mindful of my words and actions. With each breath in, feel these intentions growing stronger within you. With each breath out, visualize yourself embodying these intentions in your daily life, becoming a more compassionate and empathetic person. As you continue to breathe, take a moment to forgive yourself for your past actions, knowing that you are now actively working towards becoming a better version of yourself. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release